welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Canoo Inc. with the ticker symbol GOEV, that is GOEV, and today the stock is up 3.15%, trading at $3.43. What is interesting about Canoo today is that with barely an hour to the close of market, the stock volume is about half what it would typically be, with about 931,000 shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 2.38 million shares. Furthermore, you can see that the 52-week range of Canoo is from $2.55 all the way up to $13.35. So we are definitely towards the lower end of the spectrum. Now, the CEO of Canoo, over the past, I think, week or 2 weeks, he talked about operations of Canoo and specifically about the Arkansas factory, which they hope will start production in the fourth quarter of 2022 or early 2023. And he also talked a little bit about the Oklahoma factory, which he said is based on the Cherokee Nation tribal land. And of course, that's an opportunity area which gives some certain tax benefits for investors who implant businesses in that area. So there are many tax advantages, which of course I won't go into the detail here on this short video. But the Arkansas plant is scheduled, and he says he really hopes that fourth quarter 2022 they go into production. But if that gets delayed, he's eyeing the first quarter of 2023 for production in the Arkansas location. The Oklahoma location, that will come much later, I believe 2023 2024, that's the time frame, and it is located on Cherokee Nation tribal land. And that land, the area where it's located gives the investors in the company is certain tax benefits, which is meant to encourage investment in those areas with very few opportunities. So that is where we stand with Canoo Inc. And you can see that things are quite slow today, whereas on Wall Street, if you look at the top of your screen, everything seems to be in the green. What I want to point out, guys, is if you stretch out over a period of 5 days, you can see that the stock price of Canoo has actually gone up, and it's been a while since we saw something like this. Over the past 6 months, many stocks haven't had a stretch of more than 2-3 days where the stock actually is trending upward. You can see for the past 6 months the stock has just been on this slow, relentless drop in the value of the stock, and it's very refreshing to see that beginning June, the stock has leveled out and actually is going upward. This might be a sign, that for a couple of reasons, the economic policies that have been implemented by the federal government. You also have monetary policies that were implemented by the Federal Reserve Bank. And finally, you have changes in consumers in the United States, where more and more people are looking towards EVs and other alternative fuel vehicles for their for use. So internal combustion engines still have a place, but due to incentives and growing environmental concerns, more and more people are turning towards greener solutions to provide their mobility. So Canoo is uniquely placed because the way they structured the company is such that they build a platform, and then that can be customized to the end user's needs, be it a tradesman, being an outdoors kind of person. You can get the type of vehicle from Canoo that will fit your lifestyle. So that's the story about Canoo for today, the 2nd of June 2022. We have barely an hour to the close of markets, and we can see that the stock today is up 3.00%, trading at $3.43. I want to thank you for your time. Please, on your way out, consider hitting that subscribe button. We've had quite a bit of success with the number of new subscribers to the channel. We want to say a big thank you to all the long-term subscribers and to the new subscribers to the channel. Each and every one of your subscriptions is a vote towards the growth of this channel, and we hope to hit our 1,000 subscriber mark by the midterms that will take place in November. Bye for now.